use Dynamics 365 Business Central to hold budgets for financial reporting. There's a nice import-export functionality that's pretty easy to use. And I'd like to show that to you. And then I'm going to show a quick account schedule and see how you can show that budget against actuals in Dynamics 365 Business Central. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is look at the budgets. I created a couple budgets. We're going to take a look at this one here. When you initially create a budget, it's going to put all the accounts in the budget for you. And obviously, you'll just use the ones that you want. And it's easy to export this. I already have some numbers in here, but let's just export it. Here I'm going to specify a start date and the number of periods I want. Period length, 1 month. So let's do that. So the budget worksheet is always going to give you all the accounts in the chart of accounts. You'll just fill out the ones that you want. In my chart of accounts, these income accounts are specified to show the opposite balance. So when I put the budgets in, I want to put the opposite balance in too. So I'm going to put these in as negatives. Then I've got some other accounts here. You can read those. So I can easily add to this. I'll add some advertising expense here. And just copy and paste it. You can also use formulas in this worksheet. That'll import fine into Business Central, but when you export it again, those formulas will disappear. So I'm going to save this. Let's import that back into the same budget. Here it is here. Now the budget's been updated. And we can see all the items down here if we scroll down through this little window here. So now let's see this in an account schedule. Let me go to account schedules here. This is an income statement I've been using. This is a copy of one that comes with Business Central out of the box. And let's take a look at the column layout for this. So this is a pretty simple one. I'm just pulling in the current balance. These will be the actual dollars in my general ledger. I'm pulling in the budget, and then I'm doing a quick variance to show the difference between the actuals and the budget. So let's go ahead and run this. I'm going to change the column layout to the one we were just looking at. And because the column layout has a budget column in it, it's going to ask me for the GL budget I want to include with this particular report. So I'll select the one that we've been working with here. Then I'll print it out. So this is a simple financial statement created with account schedules. You can see in the first column, the current balance, I've got totals for January through April. I've got a budget for the same period, and then I've got a variance. And that's it. I can store as many budgets in Business Central as I want to. I can use them as I need to for financial reporting just within account schedules, but I could also use those budgets in other reporting tools.